Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
I greet you all out there. We must do the needful. I've been so very busy these days, but it's good we cry out for the betterment of our society. This very evening, I'm launching my program, How Una Siam. I want to thank Apostle Alfred. You have been on and on with your own program, Tokam Asibi. I know very well it's not an easy one, but I want to thank God for the grace He has given to you to be on and on with the program. I must let the entire public know that How Una Siam is a program I'm launching today, and I'm not assuring us that I will be on and on with it, but I must sacrifice my time to always talk on issues really affecting the society. And I want to take it down to the roots. I'm out here for those who have no opportunity to go to school at all, who are no graduates. So the program is going to be a Pidgin English program. I just decided to introduce the program with Queen's language, but right now it's going to be a Pidgin English program so that we can carry people along. People when my mind they cry for, actually for society. Now those one will not even get opportunity to go to school. And if you really look at it, the opportunity is truly not there. The opportunity is truly not there. Like if you go to the street today, you will see some children when they're within the age of 7 years, 8 years. Many of them, when night comes like this, they go there for under mango tree along the road, they sleep. Some go there for bus stop. They go they sleep for there. When they break, they no go bath, nothing. They go begin enter streets. They beg up and down. Many days when I see where I go chop maybe for afternoon if I don't do work. They go just there, their own are just, brother, I beg, buy me food. I dey hungry. They will ask you for money. Brother, I dey hungry, buy me food. You buy them food. Now, why I can't come out with this program? Now to make sure, say, we could see how far we fit carry these people along because it no be their fault. At the age of 7, 8, 9, 10, even 15, even 16, say, Papa leave mama, Papa leave Peking, Mama leave Peking. May they just do on their own like that, they go. It not be those Peking fault at all. It not be their fault. You know, if you blame them for anything when they do. But now, how will fit help these children? May they part of the society. Make it not be like, say, bad people not go see them. Go show them small kindness. Because they use them, they terrorize or they torment the society. Because as I see many of them, my heart, I cry for my heart every time. I dey cry for my heart every time. Say, if bad person pick up these children now, bath them up, give them better, pick one of them, give them better food, give them better clothes, breed them up for some time. If you carry gun put for this pikin hand, say, go do this thing for me. The pikin go see am like betrayer if you no go do am. Person wey comot me for street, person wey dey give me food, person wey give me house, I stay. The pikin no go get sense on his own. Say, despite say person comot you for street, he give you food, he give you clothes, no mix say, give you gun, make you go kill. You know what time? It's rather you just thank am for the one wey don't do, you waka comot. But as I talk am now, it dey very sweet for my mouth because I'm so it be for my mind. But you go dey surprised, e no go fit dey like that for those children mind because all minds no be the same. So we, when be the people of the society, we go fight hard to see how government go fit follow up with this kind of children. Are they very happy? Say presidential youth empowerment program, they don't launch am. And this program go give 774,000 youth job employment. So out of that 774,000, I can't sit down, I can't think. How they take share this employment where one comes so. Which percentage they give people when graduate, when they don't go school? Which percentage they give undergraduates? Which percentage they give these children at all when they even get opportunity to go? When they even go to school at all. Now, even if our government, now which people they represent these children, when we they see up and down for the streets, they gallivant, they not get where they stay, they not get senior brother, they not get elder brother, they not get senior sister when they fitted and say, do this one, no do this one. They're not under the control of mama, they're not under the control of papa, they're not under the control of anybody when they tell them, say, see how they live life, see how it's supposed to be, do one like this, do one like that. They go on their own. Who they represent them for government? Because for me, I don't go to stay long for this program because I just tell us, say, I just can't introduce them. But I want to use this one to start. Who we get for government when they represent all these kind of children for society? When we go feel whole accountable? When go feel they go round, check out on these children. Ask them, where you from come? Where your papa dey? Where your mama dey? Maybe as we they ask question they go, we fit come find out say, their papa don't die, their mama don't die. We fit still don't find out say, we can still find out say, these children, their papa dey alive, their mama dey alive. Because some parents dey like that, they go just born, mama go waka go im own, papa go waka go im own. Children go begin to suffer, waiting they don't know one, they don't know two. This one not be say, person go come and say, make a personal matter, make we not talk for people matter. This one not be people matter again, a public matter, because these children, if you go out, they're there everywhere, they're there for all the states for this Nigeria. If you go, you go see children when just they go about, they beg. If night come like this, they don't get anywhere to lay their head. Now when night fall, meet them, now there then go sleep. Either under mango tree or they go sleep for bus stop. They're there every state for Nigeria. So this one not be personal matter again, it don't be public matter. Because when these children now begin to learn bad thing, begin to torment the entire society, now that time we go know say na public matter, not be personal matter. If these representatives are very effective enough, when they go find these children, parents reach out, you feel find out say, papa dey okay, mama dey okay to take care of these children. Why they know they take care of them? For this kind of situation, they're supposed to give penalty to such parents. But in the case say their papa, mama don't die, then government go see how they fit take carry the responsibility of these children. If their papa, their mama truly, they want really help these children, they want train these children, but no means to help them, no means to train them. Government go see how they fit still empower their parents so that these children could continue to do under their control. So they go fit they teach them the way to go for life. So now the way me I take on. I don't know how una reason now. That's why my program now. How una see am. It's not just all about my opinion. It's about my opinion. It's about your opinion. It's about the entire public's opinion. Because this thing, it dey wound me for mind. It dey wound me. It dey wound me for mind. If I look at them, I don't get the capacity to help these children. I don't even know where to start from. I don't go know where to end if I start on. So we get governments. I think maybe they're very busy. Yes, because person when they up, sometimes, they see waiting they down. Now we when they down, they tell them, say, we go to point hands, so all these things say, see. So it's our responsibility to begin to point out to our leaders, say, this thing, they affect society. And truly, it affects society. It affects society. Where this thing are one of the major problems when they take us backward for this country. These children in their large numbers, with the capacity when they get, if we direct the strength into something positive, I swear, this country, it go dey better than waiting it be today. Than to just leave them. They go just dey like that. It get one when I see one time for one junction, I cry. Among all of them when they together, the girl when still dey inside there, they still give am belle inside there. For street there. The thing pay me. I cry well. So this thing, it no go be my responsibility. I no go fit do am. I no get the capacity. But the little one when I know say I go fit do, now I come out, can't do so. More begin to point our leaders. Our money, when most of them, not all of them, our leaders are, some of them are very good and valuable. But for so many of them, when feel say, they want enter government to go to thief our money, we need to start to let them know, say, responsibility dey enough to use that money for. May they never believe, say, that money dey free enough for them to go dey dig for underground. May they not believe, say, that money dey free enough for them to dey fly overseas. Now, wickedness, because if we channel all those resources to these children, I believe, say, we go fit give them better life. They go fit belonging to the society. So now our responsibility, time they come when we go still do protests, make them comot all the children, come out for streets. We go comot all of them. Now the responsibility of government. So if government come across this kind of video now, may they begin to work hard. All the governor of every state, may they work hard. May they work hard to make sure that they make provision for these children. May they have a representative now. When they go around, get these children, then you go, that representative go begin to ask the children the questions. Where your papa dey? Where your mama dey? Where your family dey? So that we go know everything about these children. We go know where we go start from. If truly say out of wickedness, papa, mama, born pikin, just leave am like that, make it they struggle, they go. Small pikin, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, 11, what did they know? How can they go on their own? They no go fit. So we need the guardians of the government to come in right now. Because if you really go through, like I told you, some category, some parents just, they lazy to take care of their children. Someday they want help, but no capacity, no enabling environment. They don't get anything to take care of these children. So may government begin to know where to start from now. Because as we see the children for the streets, it don't make sense again. The thing don't make sense again. It's getting into something else. The thing, they wound me well. The thing, they give me sleepless nights. The thing, they make me cry. Sometimes I go stop, I go share wetin I go share. It no go reach anywhere. It no go reach anywhere. Wetin I go even share, I know say no go even reach them for that day. Then what about tomorrow? So please, now our responsibility. Government must do their work. If we just sit down believing, say, there be government, they know what to do. We don't see them for so many years. Say these people, most of them don't truly know what to do. Truly, many of them, they don't know what to do. They just enter there. Some begin to loot because they don't know what to do. But when they see, say, masses get interest for something like this, get interest for something like this, for them to carry our money come out, what could they use and they put all these things in order? I believe say they don't get chance to begin thief our money again. Because the chance when they get, when they take the thief our money and say, we know they come out, they give their responsibilities. We just, they leave them. Governor go come, he go just do road. He don't finish, he don't work. Second tenor will begin to chop money the way they like. So we thank God for the kind of leader, a trailblazer we have for Edo State today, His Excellency Godwin Obaseki Obaseki. We strongly believe that he don't show capacity first tenor. He don't still come show another capacity for second tenor to show people say, second tenor not be for government to they chop money, now to do more better than what you do in the first tenor. So all around the state, this program are for everybody. Wherever you dey, by the special grace of God, this very particular one go strong. We go get representative all around the states where we go fit hold meetings, where we go begin to discuss this matter. How we go fit make government to begin to show responsibility, to show concern for all these children when they for streets up and down. To even eat one square meal a problem. I know they like video children, they be innocent children. I know if you come the video, then bring them out. But I believe say many of us, thousands of us, they see them. But should the case you don't know, and if you now want make I show una, I feel from afar video in the way their face not go show. Una go see children when go full early morning for restaurants. What did they beg for? No be money. Brother, I'm hungry. Brother, buy me food. When you hear that kind of thing, cry. You cry, no go let you cry. And the way you go take, the way you buy them that food, the way all of them go take Russia. No, you go no say this country is into very big danger if we don't do something about this thing now. I beg, before bad people go begin go to show kindness to these people. Because if bad people go show kindness to these children, tomorrow they tell them, say, go and do this. The pikin, if you say no, you go say, why they talk no? These same people want to say, me go do all this thing too. Then they see you, they pass all this while. But me, I can't carry you, I can't give you clothes, I can't give you food, I can't take care of you. If they see that, they'll say, now true. This but that don't show me good, don't do me good thing well. Because of that, the child can go on their own to go and do the wrong thing in the society. I know the thing go affect me, you, everybody out there. So I beg, this program now the one where we go take serious. Make we comot all the children for streets, comot for streets. As the small so, e get wetin we go fit use them do for this country when they go dey productive. While the country go dey take care of them, they go dey productive for the country as well. Everything go dey move further. Everything go dey go siriri werere. So una do well, my brothers and my sisters. At the Edo State, e don better by the grace of God. Nigeria go must better by the special grace of God. So make everybody join hand together. This project na very big one. Make we comot every child when dey for street, make we comot all of them from street. Dem not suppose dey street. While we go dey inside house, we go dey sleep. E no make sense. I know some of us go say, no be we born them. We get our own. Yes, everybody will get our own. If we fit dey inside, I don't want to talk the bad one because so many of us, it is hard for us to see the dangers in these things. But I know those when don't really know wetin I dey talk, they know the direction when I dey go. I don't want to talk on certain things, may not be like say I dey give expo to those children, may they go to they do bad thing. But I must let us know, it mustn't be your money, it mustn't be my money. Now just your time, now we need for year. Make we make sure say government do wetin they supposed do. Now their responsibility. Anybody when don't come and say want to be president of this country, he supposed to say wahala yakpa for this country when he go carry for his shoulder. Anybody when say want to be governor of any state, he supposed to say trouble yakpa, responsibility yakpa. So not be to the fly up and down, maybe they change clothes up and down. Our senators they go to talk about their wardrobe and all that. They themselves they drive around the streets of this country. Then they see how they be. So we no want to begin the pass blame to anybody. Now we want to take it in our own hands to make sure say these people they do what they're supposed to do. The people when they for parliament, they need to take this thing as a topic to begin to talk about it. How we want to come out children. These children come out for street. Now our responsibility. So I beg. The one who will go check for their parents will go check. Any papa, any mama when truly born pikin, just abandon her like that. Government supposed to punish her. And now everybody supposed to know now. You went on the plan, you want get pikin. You should know say provision day for you to take care of them. You supposed to know say provision day to take care of them. If provision not today, make you born the one when provision go fit your provision go fit take. They know they carry award. They know they carry award for childbearing. So make we beg, the suffer don't do too much. Make we still use our hand, reduce and small. May God bless all of us. Like I talk, I don't want to stay too long for this program. I know go feed the do steady. But I go make sure say I continue with this program until we see results. Until we see for all states that all governors start taking care of every child in the streets. So we go make sure. Now waiting this program can achieve. Now only this one I want make this program achieve. How una see am. So make una dey drop una own. Una wey get great idea. Make una chat me up. Make una let me know how we fit proceed from here. May we comot these children. I beg. May God Almighty continue to bless us all in Jesus' name. Amen. Make una remain blessed.